was Mary Lou Retton, famous Olympic gymnast, perfect tens in the vault.
Again here, so this is Trig-Hw.
And I heard that she was a novice at skiing. So when the opportune moment arrived, I looked over on the novice slope and saw this young woman who, when she became unbalanced, went like that. And I said, that's got to be her. That must be the gymnast.
Question in front of you. I have a
But then it occurred to me, I'm a much better skier than she is, and she's an Olympic athlete, not only an ordinary Olympic athlete, an outstanding one.
Walks back 31.
And I was a better skier because I had the K,
elevation is 40
and I had the P. And all she had was the
is this
T.
guy leaning or not?
So you can get a lot better than people who may have inherent talents
So I figure that
if you have the right amount of knowledge.
Angle C would be
So
exactly
that's what
90
my objective
degrees.
is today, and here's my
And if that's
promise.
the case, then the
Today you will
these two
see
angles will be
some
90 degrees. Because remember, it takes
Examples
180
of what you
degrees
can put in your
sum of the interior angles of
armamentarium
a triangle.
of speaking techniques.
Okay, so we basically
And
just need to see if
it
this
will
guy is
be
a
the case
complementary angle. to
that
this
some one
right?
of those examples, some
Not
heuristic,
trying to
some
find C,
technique,
because,
maybe only one,
We find this is
will
90
make-
degrees, we know
will
these
be the
guys
one
have
that
it to
gets you
90
the
degrees
job.
as well. So no point in doing that.
And so
Okay,
this
we
is
are
a
on
very
7.2 law
nonlinear
of
process. You never know when it's going to happen.
sines. So.
But that is my promise. By the end of the
This
next
does
60
make a
minutes,
triangle, because it's actually talking about a
you'll
real
have been
thing.
exposed to a lot of
And
ideas,
so law of sines would
some of
be
which you'll
sine
incorporate into your own repertoire, and they will ensure that
32.
you get the maximum opportunity
And
to,
I guess we should label stuff here. So
have
this
your
is
ideas
A, I'm gonna put
valued
B here,
and
so C
accepted
here.
by the
So I'm
people
gonna
you
go
speak with.
C.
Now, in order to do
Got it
that,
over 31.
we have to have a rule of
Write that out.
engagement, and that is no
31
laptops.
gets multiplied
no
into
cell phones.
here, so that's what I did. I just
So if you
I
could
just
close
multiplied
those,
here, left this
I'll
side
start up
exactly the
as soon as you're
same.
done.
And now I'm going to take the
Some people
sine
ask why
inverse.
that is a rule of engagement,
31
and the answer is,
48.
we humans only have one language
Question
processor.
is,
And if your
gotta be
language processor is
complementary
engaged,
to
could you shut the laptop, please?
not.
If your language processor is
I
engaged,
guess to be complementary, it should be
browsing the web or
42.
reading your email,
That's kind of-
you're distracted. And
All right,
worse yet,
now, to grab
you
my
distract all of the
calculator.
people around you. Studies have shown that. And worse yet, if I see an open laptop somewhere back there or up here, it drives me nuts, and I do a worse job. And so that ensures that all of your friends who are paying attention don't get the performance that they came to have.
Okay, perfect. So
So,
let's go for it here. First things
that's
first,
it
make
for
sure you have
preamble.
your degree mode.
Let's get started.
So degree mode.
First thing to
check.
talk about, of course, is
Yeah, we're gonna go
how to
sine
start.
inverse of 31.
some people think
Eighty,
the right
that
thing
close
to
off that
do
parenthesis.
is to start a talk
Divide that by 32.
with
Now,
a
I don't
joke.
need I don't need anything on the bottom. I don't need an extra parenthesis on the bottom because there's only one term. So that's
I don't recommend
I
it.
got a 46.0. So round up to the nearest.
And the reason
Number
is that in the
would be
beginning of a talk,
46
people are still putting their
degrees.
laptops away. They're becoming adjusted to your speaking parameters, to your vocal parameters.
All right, and then we notice that.
And they're not ready for a joke.
These are not complementary.
So it
this
doesn't work
is
very well. They
48
usually fall flat.
Plus 46.
What you want to
would
do
actually make
instead
90.
To start with empowerment promise.
If I were to add these guys up, and if I were to take 180.
You want to tell people what they're going to
94,
know
it would give
at the
me
end of the hour that they didn't know
86
at the beginning of the
degrees.
hour.
So
It's an empowerment promise. It's the
Exactly
reason for
90.
being here.
That, it's going to be.
What would be an
60
example?
degree angle.
Oh,
So
I see.
basically, we're
At
off
the
by
end
4 degrees, and that kind of
Of
told
this 60 minutes, you will know things about speaking you don't know now, and something
Okay,
among
so that
those
was
things you know
7.2
will
number.
make a difference in your life. Yeah,